YF is a journey, and I think it's a journey for life. I look for some passion, some madness, divanagi.
I really wouldn't say it was an easy interview. I think that interview taught me a lot.
So if you ask us if it's easy to get into YIF, I don't know, but it's easy to be yourself. So just do that. And if YIF is meant for you, it will happen.
I think the X factor of YF would be
that if you are able to push yourself about 16 hours a day for maybe 360 days of the year, there has to be an improvement in your capacity or ability to do things and to understand things. And that's where the essence of YF comes in terms of being able to make you into a completely different person in just a matter of 50 weeks.
The X factor of YF, the kind of people that you meet.
So YF really challenges you and pushes your boundaries and makes you question everything that you're doing. And this is one program which will give you as much as you take out of it. It's not like some magic wand that you're in YF and suddenly you become a random change agent.
The X factor for YF, according to me, would be the fifth pillar, what Ramat said, like living together. The 2:1 girl to boy ratio.
X factor. Does it have to be a living or a non-living thing, or does it have to be an ontological vexation?
बस मैं ये बताता हूँ, जो एक्स फैक्टर है ना वाइफ का यही है कि बेचारे बैंकर को ऐसे बुलवाने लगते हैं. सही में बता रहा हूँ. सोचो बेचारा बैंकर डॉइचे बैंक से आया था, अब क्या ontological वगैरह क्या क्या बोलने लगा. ये है वाइफ का एक्स फैक्टर. सही बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
And it's very humbling to see students coming from where they come and bring so much of raw talent to the program. And I think that is the biggest element of surprise for me. And I think the country is in great hands.
My background:
Dancer. Sociology.
Engineer, wannabe politician.
Designer.
Yeah. Fraud examiner.
Writer.
Media. Pharmaceutical sciences. Yay. Economics. Ecology. History. Advocate. Music.
Biotechnology.
So one movie dialogue I would say.
Zindagi na milegi dobara. I wouldn't live a YF once again.
What we do in YF echoes in eternity.
Dil mange more.
इसको लगा डाला तो लाइफ झिंगा लाला.
Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
I don't watch movies so much.
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?
Oh,
कुछ कम ही ताल्लुक है मोहब्बत का जुनून से, दीवाने तो होते हैं बनाए नहीं जाते. I hope you all have that divangi in all of you.
Really magical about the program is that when you come out of this program, you'll see that there has been elements of your personality that you've completely lost and elements of your personality that you found again.
And I think it's normal. We don't want completely sorted individuals all the time. And even if they're completely sorted or they know exactly what they want to do, literally after 4 months they come and say, "Oh my God, I'm in a state of flux. I don't know. I'm confused."
I'm confused about what to do in the future.
Yeah, YF caused a lot of confusion.
I think given me more clarity of what I don't want to do in life, more than it's made me confused.
Yeah, I mean it's simple. You live with all these engineers. You know what you're not supposed to do.
When you're in the fellowship, you are given all kinds of information from different professors, and you have no clue where to use it, how to use it, and how it's going to help you. Okay. But then when you're working and you are working in a team and you are leading a team, and that's when you actually put all of this into perspective, and at the same time you're able to provide actually good solutions to problems, and these are long-lasting solutions.
The reason why I came to YF would be interview में इतना गजब डायलॉग दिया था उन्होंने चौबे ने. उन्होंने बोला था, देखो, I am not guaranteeing कि this will clear your confusions or anything like that. But अगर तुम अभी confused हो, तो I can say after the program you will be confidently confused.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि YF ने मुझे सिखा दिया कि ज़रूरी नहीं कि किसी आगोश में तुम्हारा सर हो. तुम तब भी अपना सिर ऊंचा उठा के you can keep moving ahead.
So the change probably all of us have felt after 6 months in YF is
basically become a non-conformist. Everything that's coming, everything that I'm doing, I question it, and I logically seek an answer to everything and not just conform to whatever the principles or the methods of society there are.
My motto is to make every literate Indian educated and every educated Indian employed.
So it's not about history. Everyone's done history. It's Rudrangshu Mukherjee's history that makes all the difference. Or Andre Bette doing sociology. I mean, really, you know. As one of you said, one of the students said, I forget sometimes to blink in his class.
I think it's a game changer. It's life changing, and I've seen people mesmerized or completely awestruck during the classes.
I know the answer. The way I would sell it is, it's a program that's being done in association with UPenn, Sionspo and Carleton College.
And that's an education for life. We're not educating you for employment at all here. We're educating you for life.
My heartfelt gratitude to all the sponsors, to all the mentors, to all the teachers, to all the fellows. My deep heartfelt gratitude for them, and I'm looking for a lifelong relation with all of you.